Hi, gardening friends. I'm Erin Hoffer, an educator for the City of Plano's Sustainability and Environmental Education Division, and I'm so excited to be partnering once again with Plano Libraries to bring you more gardening webinars. Now, if you've missed any of the webinars, please don't worry. They're all listed on the library's YouTube channel. Head on over to YouTube and search for Plano Public Library. You'll be surprised at all of the different webinars on so many different topics, not just gardening. So it's a great way to spend some time learning online. It's information on demand. That's Plano Public Library YouTube channel. Hope to see you there.